I'm gonna go ahead and get the Vaseline. They are spend 12, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. I was gonna pick up 3 of these and use a 20% off coupons. However, I don't have any more of the 20% off coupons, so I'm actually gonna pick up this one. And I actually need this gel here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. Now the 4 off of 2 is not attaching to this product, it's only attaching to the lotion. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up because I actually need this product. Hopefully it'll still try to come off, but I know it won't. But I'm gonna go ahead and add these two, and these are regular price, so you can easily use a 20% off coupon if you have it. I do have the Axe body wash that is on promotion for buy one get one half off, and then when you buy 3 you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So we do have 4 off of 2 digital coupons for this, as well as a rebate back on ShopMium, and we have rebate back on Fetch for this product. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick up 3 of them at buy one get one half off, and the third is gonna be full price. So again, if you have a 20% off coupon and you buying more than $10, you can actually add it to this transaction, and that'll save you some of the $5.99 there as well. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Garnier along with the whole blends. They are on promotion for when you spend 10, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and we do have a $3 digital coupon. And I'm also gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of the, I don't know why I always smack this thing down every time, like it never fails. Every time I'm picking this up at this particular store, I always smack it down. I don't know why. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and there we go, I messed it up. 2 of these here for $16, and we have $6 coming off in coupon. Okay, so we also have the Axe on sale. This is a different promotion, different from the body wash. So they are $6.79. Also buy one get one half off. Again, with the 20%, you can also add it to this, to the full price item, and when you buy 3 you'll get back $5 in register reward. I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon along with the $1.50. I doubt that they both will come off, but I'm gonna give it a try. But the other thing is, I'm gonna do it in a different transaction from the body wash, so I'll keep you guys posted on how I'm doing the transactions. All right guys, so for the first transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Tide liquid here. It's $15.99, so we know that's printing the P&G promotion there as well, so this one right here. And then I'm gonna add the toothbrushes, and I'm only gonna add the Axe. I think that's it. That's gonna take me to $48, and then I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then I'm gonna have $4 coming off here, $4 coming off the Axe, and $4 coming off this here. So I should pay about $17.95, and then I'll get $5 for the Axe here, $6 here, and $5 for spending 20 altogether. And then I'm gonna submit back to Fetch to get back some points tracking towards that spend 20 on Fetch. I'm going to go ahead and throw this one in there. That'll give me an extra $5, so I'll get back $12 in Walgreens cash, 7 for my digital, and 5 for the paper booster. And then I'm gonna use these Catalinas right here, so 5, $1, and 2 more 5, so about $16. Total should come out to about 95 cents plus tax. Second transaction, this is what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the Vaseline in, $12.28, the Axe deodorant, $16.97, and then the Garnier products, that'll take me to $16. So my total comes out to $45.26. I have $3 here, $3 coming off here, $3, and hopefully $1.50. So after all of the coupons, I should pay about $14.75, and then I'll get back $3 for the Vaseline, $3 for the Garnier, $2 printout for the Garnier, and $5 for the Axe. And I'm also submitted back for the Axe as well, and then I'll get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I found this in the trash, so I picked it up. So I should get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and then so in a total of 2 printouts. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in these register rewards. So $3, $6, another $3, and $2. So that's a total of $14. I think what I'm gonna try to do is always trying to use 2 different register rewards. So the 84 $1.97. These are two different ones, so one's from the P&G, one from the Garnier. Hopefully it doesn't reject it, because it's been rejecting the $3 coupon, so I'll keep you guys posted there. Another transaction, which is the third transaction, hopefully the last. I'm gonna go ahead and do the gain deal. So of course there are buy 4 get back 5, so I'm grabbing, and I still have coupons, so I'm grabbing one of the scent beads, one of the softener, one of the liquids, as well as one of the pods. So that's gonna take me to $21.96. For the last transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Densify. They are $7, and buy 2 you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards, and it's part of the P&G promotion. And to finish that, I was gonna grab 2 of these, but there's only 1 left, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these here. So 17 plus the 8, that'll get me over the $20. We don't have any coupons for this one there, so I'll just use register. So my phone is dying. So to get my total over $45, I'm at $43 and change. I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 of a Kinder Bueno. They are $1.29, but there are 2 for $3.19. Interesting. I thought they were 3 for $3.19. Anyways, whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 just to make sure that my total gets over the $3 mark, and then we have a $3 coupon. So here is my first receipt. Here's the Axe body wash at full price there. Well, buy 1 get 1 half off. The Oral-B toothbrushes, the Tide, and the other Axe there. These are the register rewards that I use. A $1, $5, and another $5, and then $4 coming out for the Axe, $4 for the toothbrushes, $4 for the Tide, and the $1 there would have been for the other toothbrush, because it was a 4 off of 2, 4 off of 1, so the other $1 came off there. Subtotal came out to $19.94. Used 20 in Walgreens cash, paid the $1.95 out of pocket. It didn't show me what points I got back. I'll pull it up on the screen, but I should have gotten back 14 in Walgreens cash. And then as far as printouts, I had already used some of them, but here is the $5 for the P&G, the $6 for the Oral-B, $5 for the P&G, and I'm only missing the $5 for the Axe, which I did get because I rolled it on to my next transaction. All right, so the next transaction I did was this one here. Here is the Axe deodorant. Here is the Whole Blends, the Fructis, the Vaseline, the other Axe deodorant there, and then the point booster. Oh, okay. Oh no, so 7 plus 5, so 12. Okay, so here's that's probably what threw my points off. I'll tell you guys about it. All right, so here's the point booster. Here are the register rewards that I used: 3, 3, 6, and the $2. And then these were digital coupons: $3 for the Fructis, $3 for the Whole Blends, and the other $3 would have been for the Axe. So the 150 did not come off there, and the 4 off of 2, which I knew wasn't gonna come off, but I am gonna contact customer service is that what I said, for the other $1 that didn't come off. And I purposely picked up different scents so that the 150 would attach, and it didn't attach. All right, so $25, pay $5.19 out of pocket, so $22 without taxes there. And then for points, I got back $7 for the paper booster, and $3 for the Vaseline. And then on this one, I did submit back to Ibotta. I'll show you guys what I got. I think I got like 3,800 points, $3.80. Because I had already been working towards the Axe, so this is like my 3rd time doing it. This was my 4th time doing it. So on this, I got a little over 2,700 points, so I'll show you guys that as well. Oh, and on this one, I did get some points for the Vaseline there as well. And you can also submit for the Axe back to the Shop Mium Alexa app if those rebates are coming up. And then as far as what I got back, I'm gonna show you guys. I got back the $5. There shouldn't be, hold on. Okay, so here's the, no, I messed up, y'all. Hold on. Anyways, everything printed. I'm just trying to see here. I think this was it. So there it is. $5 for the Unilever, for the Axe, and then $3 for the Garnier. That's all I should have gotten back here. All right, on the last transaction, I did have a little hiccup because I didn't realize I didn't have $20 in Walgreens cash. Yeah, so I ended up paying an extra $10 out of pocket, plus it kicked out one of my coupons. So here is the Crest Densify that I picked up. Here are the Gain by 4 Get Back 5, the Kinder Bueno, which I probably didn't need to add in. And even though, yeah, came out to $3.87. So 2 for $3.19. So they're 2 for $3.19, but that coupon didn't come off yesterday when I purchased 2 of them. Okay. All right. Well, here it goes. And then here are the other Crest products that I purchased. I did use a paper coupon there, paper booster, and then register rewards. I rolled in the $5 I got there, the $3 and another $2, and I used another $5, which it did reject that one as well. So I was hoping my total would have been, you know, close to taxes, but whatever. And then for digital coupons, $5 coming off here for the Crest, $3 for the Kinder Bueno, $1 for each one of those Gain products. So 25. I meant to use 20, but only 10. So I paid a little bit more out of pocket, but it ended up working out, you guys. So I got $7 back in Walgreens cash. I have so many receipts, you guys. I have like a plethora of receipts. All right. So it ended up working out because the first person who rang me up ended up messing up the transaction. So he pushed total. So he gave me double register rewards. I was so excited. All right. And he actually gave them to me. So, and he's a little strict. I'm not sure why, but here's the $5. And then here's the other $5 for the P&G. And then here are the other $5. So here's, I'm all over the place, y'all. Garnier. Oh no, they're right here. So this was the $5 that got kicked out. Here is the $5 for the P&G. So this is the extra set that he gave me right there. And I just nicely took them and tuck them away. $3 for the toothpaste there. And what was this one? $5 for the P&G. So that would have been for the 2 Crest. And then here is the $5 for the Wellness Women. And a 20% off coupon. I was hoping for these because I have no 20% off coupons, but that ended up working out really, really nice. So yeah, so even though I missed out on extra $10, I'm ending up making it up here, even though, you know, it's money out of my pocket that I don't want to pay all this money for this when I have rewards. But here you go. All right, y'all. So this is all that I have for you guys. Let me take you guys through these again if you wanted to do what I did, and if you have a spend 25. So these are all different scenarios that you can do using 20 in Walgreens cash. And if you don't have $20 in Walgreens cash to spend, I would say just break down your transaction to $5 to $10, whatever Walgreens cash you have to spend. Just, you know, break it down. Or if you have out of pocket to spend, you know, go for it. The goal is not to spend much out of pocket. So here is the second one again, if you guys want to go ahead and do this deal. And if you wanted to do the Vaseline, you know, if you don't need the actual gel or the petroleum, I don't know how to say that, you know, just grab 2 of the actual lotion, and that $4 coupon will come off. I know it works because I did it last week. So here is the other one there. Just if you guys wanted to, you know, replicate these transactions. All right, y'all, so this is all that I have for you guys. Don't forget to like the video, share it, leave me a nice comment. Let me know how you guys are doing at the Walgreens. I've had a few people ask me, you know, how do you kind of get started with couponing and things like that. So I thought in the next few weeks, I'll try to put together like a get started series, kind of like how do you kind of get started, because I've had like a lot of questions on, you know, where do I start. Even today I was in the store, the lady was like, what do I do, how do I do this? So you know, if you want to know how to just get started, let me know. Leave me a comment below. If you're just, you know, starting out or you confused about certain things, let me know, and I'll just kind of try to put together a beginner series, even if I do like those videos on Fridays, just so that I could kind of walk you guys through on how to get started. So yeah, this coupon is not scanning. I'm not sure why, but I have to hold on to it until I find a manager who's nice enough to put it through for me. So let's hope for that. Well, all right, you guys, I'm gonna stop yapping now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.